We started with the voucher transactions and voucher templates. Now let's wrap up our conversation with that. Now in this scenario, to begin with, one more time, I do a validation. It was $100,000 discrepancies. I'm going to change it to 240 and I'm going to do a validation. So you're going to be fine. Now the voucher is okay. But now let's talk about the voucher template as type %. If you recall, when you had one line, whatever amount you put in is going to place in the same amount. But this time, I'm going to go to the voucher template and I'm going to save this. No matter which line, by the way, they're all the same voucher. To prove the concept, if I do a drop down, it's going to go voucher number 4. That means it's already balanced. I'm not going to continue with that, but who said you have to have 3 lines? You could have as many lines as you want, as long as the voucher is balanced. If I go create a brand new one, I need to demo this properly. I create a template as type %, but this time I'm going to use this specific template, which is the third one. That's the second voucher, which happens to be number 3. The first one was number 1, if you recall. In this one, if I click OK, it's going to say how much. I intentionally put in $100. For you to prove the concept, when I click OK, system break it off properly based on a proportion. Therefore, the $500,000 is going to have 52% here and 48% here. So nicely, you can figure it out exactly how the percent breaks it off. You won't be able to see the effect of voucher template as type % unless you have multiple lines. Otherwise, it's always 100%. As you notice, the voucher number here is coming from the journal name. So let me explain that again. If I go back here and take a look at the Jan